Good day, Brian. After studying Chapter 2, Unpacking the Self, I realized how complex and fascinating the human body truly is. One topic that stood out to me was erogenous zone. These are the sensitive area of our body that respond to touch, leading to feeling of pleasure, emotional connection. Learning about this helped me understand that our physical self is deeply connected to our emotion, psychological self. It reminds us that sexual is not something to be ashamed of, but rather are a natural part of being human. This this topic highlight the importance, respect, conscience, and self-awareness. Knowing our bodies allow us to establish healthy body boundaries and better appreciate our individual. And in the end, understanding erogenous zone is not just about physical physical sen- sensation. It's about valuing ourselves and others in mutual, responsible, and holistic way.